Hey guys, on today's video, you will learn how to add a pop-up size chart on your store. So when your customers click on this button, this will show all the product size information and let them shop with more confidence. Before we start, if you are selling AliExpress clothes, you should make sure you check this app. With DSize, you can easily import size charts with one click. The link is on the comments. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is add a Metafield. Click on Settings, Custom Data, click on Products, add definition. You will name it as Size Charts, and it will be exactly this name because we are going to use this namespace later, okay? So here I will select type and click on multi-line text. Click on save. So what exactly this does? This adds a metafield to all our products, so we can add a size chart table to any product. But in order to display the size chart content, we need first add our pop-up button. So I will close this. I will click on Online Store. I will click on Customize. Click on Homepage, Products, the full product. And on template product information, we will add a block. Custom liquid. Now we will click on custom liquid over here that we have added. I will paste this code over here. I will add the link on the comments. And I will paste here and I will click on save. Great. We are ready to start create our size charts and insert on our product size charts metafield. I will go back to my Shopify admin store, click on products, and choose some product to add my size chart. I will choose this one. Scroll down to size charts metafield. And here I will insert my size chart table. I like to create the size chart table with a website. It's called htmltables.io. So I will to htmltables.io. You just type this URL on your browser, okay? And here we can choose how many columns and rows and also style the size chart table. To add the table content, we can just click on the table cell, remove this, and I don't know, type another thing, side, for example. And when you are done with the table editor, you can just copy the table code over here and you go back to your Shopify admin store. And on the size charts metafields, you can just paste your code and click on save it. That's it. You can do it for as many products as you need. Now I go to my product URL to see if everything is right. And I will click on size chart. And as you can see, we already have our size chart over here. If you want to remove this size chart credit, you can just remove this line of the code. I will find it. This div over here. Okay, you can just press delete and save it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button if this was useful and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.